Kini ke All India Radio Shillong paralok nong snap mentangin wan lama sepi ki kubur kerpang hakabede bat COVID-19. Menteri Rambado Keri Narendra Modi ong ba ke jingye khun ke India persya yo khnyang jingpang corona kade ke bor ke bami no pajba. Ringkat bat baro ki nong song snong keri ke sarkar ke basensyar ke itri ringkat be ki nong penyat ha ki kam ki pher banyak khun persya ya ka klam. Haba ajing kena nak program Man Ki Baat ling ba ka All India Radio mentne ka si Modi lo ong ba man la u ne ka nong song snong jong keri ki de ki sipai ki be khun lang ha ka ni ka thama bat ki long ru ki nong elam ba khmat e jong kamadan thama Menteri Rambado ong ba kari baro ka wei ka snok ti lang ha ka jing tul thama nadu ka jing pembiang bam na ka benta ki bedok bakerdo ka jing sam rashan ka jing ko ngo ek pakhang dam ha kari ka jing pembiang ki jaka ajing sumar bat iki tiar bat dawai beran kam baro ka sarkar Assam kala thepisa mar 8000 tingka sha kumba iway point rew lak ngot ki briel jong ka Assam ki ba sakut shabar jong ka jila ya ka bala mang na ka jingkin show Assam Cares Initiatives ha ka jingkran ba ka All India Radio minnin ka janmet weni ki officer rang ba ka sarkar Assam uong ba ki bala penung kerteng ban yo jingira pisa na ka sarkar ki don hadu san lak khandai phau hajar ngut na pedeng jung ini ke sarkar kala dep ai jingirap ya kumba iway point rew lak ngot ki briu tat haduk menta nalor kata ke sarkar Assam kala kershan pisaru ya news pa san prangut ki nongpang ki badon ha ka jingpha sumar shabar jila kum ka jingpang klong snam ka bampong bat ka jing shitom khlai ka sarkar Assam kala ai mar arpusan hajar tingka ha Meghalaya ka sarkar kan sa syong perkhat la ka long ni em ka badan kam ban peteng ya ka jingkhang dam ha ka bayde ba ka jingya khun persya ya ka COVID-19 usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba preston tunsong min ka siulo ong ba ka sarkar jela kan sa shim ya ka rai hadien ka jingrai jong ka sarkar India uba tunsong ong ba ka benta ka bokong santam jong ka sarkar jela ka long banyadai ka jing imbriu baru ong ba ka jakpo jong kiru ka long ka badan kam Daka ba penpau ke jing sngohun ba shim ladon ki positive case hakini ki saus ngi balala usembut menteri rang ba ong ba unget scam ba ka jela ka don hapdeng ke jing shingan wala ka taula benrap daka ba ong ba ka jela kam dei ban kensting ya ka jing ele persya ya ka COVID-19 tat hadu mentala de pak tes shi hajar shi span ru pho khandai ngut bat na preng kini shi hajar khandai phu nyongot ki pau ba ki khot na ukhnyang Menteri Ramba ka Meghalaya Konrad ki sangmau ong ba ka sarkar jila kadang persyang ban penklan shu ikilat pak tes si uknyang jingpang corona ha ka jila usang mau ong ne ka sngi ba ka sarkar kala penstet ya ka trei ka kata ban pli shu ikijaka tes bakerpang bat hakini ki sngi bat kitayo ki banwan latikna ba ansala ban pli Hakui perkaliang sembut menteri ramba ka jila ba preston tunsong ula pentim ba ka sarkar India kala kubur dan pli ya ka wei ka testing center hatura Wong baka testing center Tura Civil Hospital kan sa sedang terekam no hakabakut jong uniu benai. Ka sarkar Meghalaya kala batha ya baro ki deputy commissioner jong ki district bapher ban thau ki kinhon ki bakarpang ha ki shnong ki thau haman la ki kinton ki banyarap pet ngor ya ka kot ka khia khnang banyada na ka jingsa phriang jong khnyang jingpang corona. Usembut menteri rangba ka Meghalaya uba preston tensong uong ba ki tei ki kinhon shnong kin bud din thik pathik laradon ka jing suba kempang COVID-19 ha ki shnong ki thau jong ki bat kin trei da ka jingkit khia bo khnyang jingpang un omyo banpur uba tensong uong ba haman la ka kinhon shnong ki dekhot kin thop yo rangba shnong kinong trei asha bat iwe inong hi ka school Paralok nong snap hilaya sngo mentani ki kubor kerpang hakabayde badu COVID-19 ya ka balawan nam sipi da ka regional news unit jong ka All India Radio Shillong.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India's fight against corona is people's driven, and along with the people, the government and the administration are fighting the pandemic. Sharing his thoughts in the Man Ki Baat program of All India Radio today, Mr. Modi said each and every citizen of the country is a soldier in this battle and they are leading the battle. The Prime Minister said from arranging food for the needy to supply of rations, compliance of lockdown from arrangement in hospitals to manufacturing medical equipment indigenously, entire nation is marching ahead together. Mr. Modi also commended the state government for playing a very proactive role in dealing with this pandemic. He said the responsibilities being borne by the local administration and the state government are critical in the fight against corona. India has recorded a 6% growth in coronavirus cases in 24 hours from Friday 8 a.m. to Saturday 8 a.m., the lowest daily growth rate recorded since March 15. The average doubling rate of COVID-19 cases in the country is 9.1 day as of now. Government has credited a nationwide lockdown for containing the disease. It says the country recorded 6% growth in new cases from Friday 8 a.m. to Saturday 8 a.m., the slowest uptick in daily news cases since crossing 100 cases. Meghalaya government will be reviewing the situation whether there is a need to extend the lockdown to combat COVID-19. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong yesterday said that the government will take its decision on the basis of what centre decides on the lockdown. Tinsong said that the state government top priority to protect the people, the life of the people, while also stating livelihood of the people equally important, expressing his happiness that there is no positive case in the past 4 days. Deputy Chief Minister said that he confidently said that the state is safe while asserting that the government cannot complacent in the fight against COVID-19. The Assam government has deposited 20,000 rupees to 1.6 lakhs people who stranded outside the state under Assam Care Initiative. Participating in the All India Radio